This is the Madjool Date. Not the most sightly of fruits, but unbelievably delicious. And today, we're going to make a simple 3-ingredient recipe which you will love for the rest of your life. So, let's begin. First, preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Then, we'll prepare our baking sheet. To do so, we line it with aluminum foil, and we make sure we have nice, tight seams. This gets messy. Trust me, you don't want baking grease. Set that aside, and we begin to cut our dates. We do not cut them in half, but instead we butterfly them open to reveal the majestic date seed. This is where palm trees come from. Can you eat this? I'm not quite sure, but I wouldn't try. Next, we have tangy, soft goat cheese, aptly named because, well, it's made from the milk of goats. Grab enough, and we shall stuff it into our dates. Much like an ice cream sandwich, fill it, and close your date, and set aside. Rinse and repeat, again and again. Do this until all your dates are filled with goat cheese. Get your thick cut bacon. Once you have released it from its plastic prison, it is time to continue. Nice, thick cut bacon. We cut the bacon in half because it's just the right amount of bacon and easier to eat. We grab a strip and begin to wrap our dates tightly to prevent the goat cheese from getting out. You know how those goat cheese are. We grab a toothpick and prick it. He prefers to use 2 toothpicks to make it like a golf bag. This allows even crisping of the bacon. He continues rolling, pricking, and prodding. He does this to all his dates. Once they are ready, they go into the oven. Anywhere between 25 and 45 minutes, depending on the desired level of brownness. He likes them pretty brown. They may look brown, but trust me, that caramelization is magnificent. Now, you'll want to serve these warm so you can make these in advance or serve them straight from the oven. And that is the most simple, most delicious 3-ingredient recipe you will ever eat. Goat cheese stuffed dates wrapped in bacon. If you like this video, share, like, and subscribe. And until next time, stay hungry.